Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift programming logic tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining what tuples are and how to use them. So tuples are basically just like dictionaries, except you can give them like specific types, and yeah, you can't actually change them once you set them. So once you set them, it's kind of like a let, you just can't change it. Actually, wait, that's how it works in other languages, but I'm not sure if that's exactly how it is in Swift. So let me test it. So yeah, so basically to create a basic tuple, you just have to do this. So let's say we want to create a data type. So let's create a struct, and let's call this person. So first we want a name, we also want an age and a gender. Oh, forgot to define the types. String, int, and string. Okay, so now let's just make our person. Let person1 equals person aria, age 100, gender male. So yeah, this is how you would define a person with a struct, and then let's just print this using let's just print the name. So if we do this and run it, we should end up just getting aria, as that is the name. So you know. Okay, and we'll just wait for a little bit so that it can load. Okay, and this should come up any moment now. So yeah, there's our name. But what if I told you we could actually just do it like person1? Now instead of using this struct which we made up here, we just do this person2, and instead of defining this type person, we just ignore that altogether, and we just give them a name property. So let's just say random person, give them an age property of 200 and a gender of male. Okay, so now we've defined this random person like this, and now what we can do is print the name the exact same way. So print person2 dot name, and we should end up getting random person. And yeah, so you can see here is very useful. We don't have to create this struct definition, and we only have to just do it in like a normal dictionary. So let's create a person3, and this is how you do it in a dictionary. You just give it a key, the name. Oh, can I not type? So the name is, let's just call this person3, and the age, oh, I cannot type today, age 300, and gender is just going to be male again. Okay, and then finally here what we can do is we can print person3, and oh my god, name. So this should give us the names. Oh, what has happened here? Is this not how you define a dictionary? Am I forgetting something? Am I forgetting how you define a dictionary in Swift? I think I've been in other languages too much. Okay, we'll just ignore that, but I'll just figure it out later. But yeah, this is basically define a dictionary, but a dictionary is bad because you don't know what types are in it, so you don't actually know what to call. Whereas here, you have your types, you have name, age, gender, and you also didn't have to create a struct. So the reason this is useful is, let's say you only had a one-time thing, you didn't want to create an entire struct, and you could just create it like this. And also you can use it to return things from functions. So let's say we have a function which will add two numbers, and we have number 1, number 2, and we just return number 1, number 1 plus number 2. So let's say this is our function. But now let's say we actually want to get the numbers which we got. Oh, forgot to return. So yeah, let's say we had this, and now let's say in our function we actually wanted to also return the two numbers which we added together. So that wouldn't be a problem. Let's just go up here and create a new result variable, and let's just set it to this. Okay, and then let's return a tuple. So we can say we have number 1, and this is just going to be number 1, number 2, which is going to be number 2, and the result, which is going to be result. And then here let's print oh, forgot to give it a type, so we can return type of number 1 int, number 2 int, and result int, and that should work now. Okay, and then let's just print. Oh, what is happening here? Oh, okay, that was just a glitch. So let's just print add two numbers. Number 1, let's say 5, and let's say 10, and then let's say if we want a result, we can just print the result, and that should give us 15 like that. But now let's say we also wanted number 2, because let's say we were getting this from a variable, we didn't know where it was coming from, and we just wanted it. So yeah, and you can see this is useful because we actually can see what the results we can get from this function are. So yeah, tuples can actually be really useful in cases where you don't want to create an entire class or struct definition, but you still want to return something with types. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the future tutorial. Bye!